Have you ever wondered why some TVs just look better than others? Why colors pop, blacks are deep, and every motion feels smooth? Most people blame the brand, the price, or even luck. But there's one company quietly leading the world of TVs, and the answer isn't just technology. It's something deeper, something that makes LG TVs almost impossible to beat. Stick around, because the story behind their rise is more surprising than you think. LG Electronics isn't just a brand, it's a company that has reshaped the way we watch television. From the living room to the cinema experience at home, LG TVs have become synonymous with innovation, quality, and reliability. But how did a company from South Korea become a global TV powerhouse? And what makes its technology so far ahead of the competition? Today we're taking a look at LG's journey, the machines and ideas behind their TVs, and why they remain unbeatable in a crowded market. LG started in 1958 as Lucky Gold Star, a small electronics company in South Korea. At the time, South Korea was still rebuilding after the Korean War, and consumer electronics were rare. TVs were a luxury, and most families couldn't afford one. LG's first television models were bulky, heavy, and far from perfect. Black and white screens, small sizes, and limited broadcast options made them ordinary at best. Yet LG's engineers saw potential. They didn't just want to make a TV, they wanted to improve the way people experienced visual entertainment. During the 1970s and 1980s, LG faced stiff competition from Japanese giants like Sony and Panasonic. These companies were already global leaders, and breaking into international markets seemed nearly impossible. Many skeptics questioned whether LG could ever compete, but LG focused on research and innovation. They invested in thin panel technology, experimented with better cathode ray tubes, and slowly developed LCD screens. By the 1990s, LG had begun exporting TVs internationally, slowly building recognition in Europe and North America. Innovation wasn't just technical, LG also improved design and aesthetics. They realized people wanted TVs that looked good in living rooms, not just functional electronics. By combining style, durability, and gradually better image quality, LG set itself apart from competitors that only focused on engineering. This was the foundation for LG's rise. From small factories in South Korea to international showrooms, the company was quietly building the brand reputation that would carry it into the 21st century. LG's major leap came with OLED technology in the 2000s. Unlike conventional LED TVs, OLED allows each pixel to emit its own light. This gives perfect blacks, brilliant colors, and sharper contrast. The difference is instantly noticeable. Dark scenes no longer look gray, and colors pop without looking exaggerated. But LG didn't stop at OLED. They developed nanocell technology, which uses nanoparticles to filter and enhance colors. This means even on larger screens, viewers get accurate, vibrant images from every angle. QNED, another innovation, combines quantum dots and nanocell to achieve higher brightness and precision than almost anything else on the market. LG also focused on the smart TV experience. WebOS is simple, intuitive, and fast. It integrates streaming services, gaming consoles, and AI-driven enhancements. AI Picture Pro, for instance, can analyze content in real time, improving colors, contrast, and motion smoothness automatically. Sound wasn't ignored either. LG's AI Sound Pro and Dolby Atmos-enabled speakers create immersive audio that complements the picture. Gaming, movies, and sports feel cinematic without needing a separate sound system. But here's the key. LG's technology isn't about flashy marketing. Each feature from OLED pixels to smart AI was built with the viewer in mind. They wanted TVs that looked better, sounded better, and lasted longer. That combination is rare in the TV industry. LG's technology alone doesn't explain its market dominance. The company has strategically positioned itself across multiple segments: premium, mid-range, and value TVs. Globally, LG has captured a major share of the OLED TV market. Over 90% of premium OLED panels come from LG Display. This isn't luck. LG invested early in research, partnerships, and production facilities to ensure they could scale and maintain quality. Competitors often lag behind because entering the OLED market requires years of development and massive investment. Partnerships are another secret. LG works with content creators, streaming services, and gaming companies. Gamers love LG TVs for features like low input lag, high refresh rates, and G-Sync FreeSync support, making them the default choice for high-end gaming setups. Meanwhile, streaming services showcase HDR and Dolby Vision content optimized for LG displays. Brand reputation plays a massive role too. People know LG TVs last. Reliability, minimal maintenance, and customer support build trust, which drives repeat purchases. Someone buying an LG TV once is likely to upgrade within the brand rather than switch. Pricing strategy also matters. LG offers high-end OLEDs for enthusiasts, but also mid-range nanocell TVs for regular households. This balance ensures the brand is accessible without losing its premium appeal. And then there's innovation momentum. LG continues to release new technologies before competitors, forcing the industry to catch up rather than compete head-to-head. By combining cutting-edge tech, global strategy, partnerships and consumer trust, LG maintains a dominant position that competitors struggle to match. Even a company as dominant as LG faces serious challenges. One big factor is competition. Samsung, Sony, TCL, and other brands are constantly innovating. They chase OLED, micro-LED, and smart TV features, trying to catch up. Yet LG stays ahead because it invests years in R&D and launches new technologies before anyone else. Another challenge is supply chain and production. TVs require thousands of components, panels, chips, circuit boards, and more. Global shortages or logistics delays can impact production. LG mitigates this by owning key parts of the supply chain and building strong relationships with suppliers worldwide. Economic pressures are also a factor. High-end TVs are expensive to produce, and rising material costs can squeeze margins. Yet LG balances premium models with mid-range options, keeping products attractive and profitable for a wide audience. Regulatory and environmental concerns are next. Energy efficiency rules, recycling regulations, and environmental standards require LG to constantly innovate while keeping costs reasonable. Their focus on energy-efficient displays and sustainable production helps them navigate this landscape. Finally, there's consumer expectations. Technology changes fast, and people want bigger, thinner, smarter TVs every year. Meeting these expectations is a challenge, but LG has a history of turning pressure into opportunity. Each new model combines lessons from previous generations, which keeps their technology ahead of trends. Despite these challenges, LG continues to lead. Their ability to anticipate change, invest in innovation, and focus on quality makes them almost unbeatable. Competitors can catch up in one area, but LG's combination of technology, trust, and strategy is hard to replicate. So what's next for LG? The future of TVs isn't just bigger or thinner screens, it's about smarter, more immersive experiences. LG is investing in micro-LED technology, which could rival OLED with even brighter colors and longer lifespan. AI integration will make TVs learn from your viewing habits, adjusting picture and sound automatically. But your TV optimizing movies, sports and games in real time without you lifting a finger. Rollable and flexible TVs are also on the horizon. Picture a screen that rolls up like a poster when not in use. Space-saving, futuristic and practical design competitors are still experimenting. LG is also looking at home entertainment as a system, not just a single screen. Their TVs can integrate with smart speakers, lighting, gaming consoles and streaming services to create a complete immersive environment. Environmental responsibility remains a priority. Energy-efficient displays, sustainable materials, and longer-lasting products show LG isn't just thinking about today, they're planning for a greener future. The big picture: LG isn't just making TVs, they're shaping how we consume media, play games, and interact with technology in the next decade. And with every new innovation, they stay steps ahead of the competition, keeping their dominance secure. The rise of LG TVs isn't just a story of technology, it's a story of vision, persistence, and understanding what people truly want. From humble beginnings in South Korea to global leadership, LG has built a brand that sets the standard for home entertainment. Next time you watch a movie, play a game, or stream a show on a crisp, vibrant screen, remember this: LG isn't just making TVs, they're defining the future of viewing. So what's your favorite LG TV feature? Comment below and let us know, and maybe share why you think LG continues to lead while others struggle to keep up.